Hey guys, let's see today how to remove location arrow on iPhone. You can see over the top that location arrow is coming. So let's see guys how to remove completely location arrow, whatever the appearing on your iPhone screen. So for that guys, it's very simple guys, just go to settings, and now from the setting page, just try to find the privacy and security. You can just, yeah, here you go, just tap on it. And okay, just try to find location services. Yeah, here you go, just tap on it. And okay, just try to come down, and now guys you can see over your system services, just tap on it. And now guys just come down, at the bottom you can see over the a status bar icon, it's turned on, just tap to turn off guys. After that your location arrow, it won't appear on your iPhone screen. So guys, this way you can completely remove location arrow icon on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.